If you thought only musicians make music, think again. Even the sun has its own playlist. Too bad we can't jam to it. So, here's the wild part. The sun is always vibrating, kind of like a massive cosmic bell. All that crazy movement creates sound waves, like real sound. But there's a catch. Space is basically a huge vacuum, so those sound waves have zero chance of reaching our ears. Scientists use special telescopes to see these sunquakes and then turn that data into actual audio. When you speed it up, the sun's song is seriously wild. Think deep, epic sci-fi beats. Imagine making a music track out of the sun's natural sound. Should we try it? Smash that like if you're vibing with space beats, hit subscribe, and share this with your music-obsessed friends. Want more mind-blowing cosmic facts? Stick around, because the universe is full of surprises.